All right, welcome to math this week. This week for homework stuff, we're going to be doing the wizard challenge, which is basically we're going to be doing single digit by double digit multiplication and hopefully a little bit of practice with double digit by double digit multiplication. To get that far though, let's first talk about place value. We're going to talk about place value and we might have a number like 27. And we need to know our place value. So this one right here is my ones. And this one is my tens. I have 7 ones and 2 tens. Those are the digits in the spot, and they're worth 7, and this one is worth 20. So I might say stuff like that. I might say, what's the digit in the place value? What's the value? And this would be worth 20 because it's in the 10 spot. All right, so we've been doing some multiplication problems like 10, or not even 10. We've been doing multiplication problems like 9 times 17. And when we've been drawing them out, we've been putting our 9 here, that's our digit there, and then we're breaking 17 up into 10 and 7. And then we multiply here and multiply here to get here and here. Familiar, right? We're going to switch it up a little bit. We're still going to have a single digit, so I might have a 4 here, times, and now instead of having a teen number with a tens, a 1 in the 10 spot or a value of 10, we might have a number like 37. What do we do for that? Well, there's a couple ways you can do it. First, you can draw your square like this. You can do a 4. My marker broke. 1 second. A 4. And then we can break it up by place value numbers. So I can break the 7. I can put over here, and I'm going to have it right down here. I'm going to have a 7. That's how many ones I have. So that's taken care of. Now I need to have 30 broken up in here. And I can break 30 up 3 times into 10. So I can have a 10, a 10, and a 10. And now I can do my multiplication. Well, first we always check first. Do all these add up to give me that factor? 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 10 is 30, plus 7 is 37. And now we multiply 4 times 10, we get 40, 4 times 10 is 40, 4 times 10 is 40, and 4 times 8. I know I'm doing this fast. You guys can do it on your times tables or however you need to do it. 4 times 8 is 28. And now I would just add them like we were doing before. 40, 40, 40, 28, add. I add my ones first, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 4 again is 12. Plus 2 is 14, but I can't put a 14 down there. I can put my 4, 1, and 1. We get 148. So this is how we stretch out when our digit here is not a 1, or the value is more than 10. A little bit more efficient way we can do it, if you want to do it this way, that's perfectly fine. A little bit more efficient way we can do it is by breaking it up like this. Still have our 4, and we're just going to break it up by straight place value. So I'm going to cut it in half again. I'm going to put my 7 down here because I'm putting my place value of my ones down here. And I'm going to put my tens over here. And instead of a 10, remember, I'm going to put the value of this one right here. So the value is 30. And now I can multiply across. So look at this one. This one's the same as we had before. 4 times 7 is still 28. And this looks big and scary. 4 times 30. Some of you just might be able to add 4 30s in your head. A trick that I always do is when you're multiplying anything and it ends in a 0, what you can always do is just count the 0. So I have 1 0 and put it down here. Now my 0 is done. Now I just multiply 4 times 3. So I took care of my 0. I put it down here. 4 times 3 is 12. And that's actually 120 because we put our 0 down there. It's a lot quicker than adding up those 4 times 10 plus 4 times 10 plus 4 times 10. It's a lot quicker. Now we can add 120 plus 28. And I add my 1's first. 0 plus 8 is 8. I add my 10's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 10's. 100, 148. So we got the same answer. You will have a few of these examples like this to try today. And we will go over it in whole group as well. At the very end, there's one challenge for you, and it's going to look like this. This is where we will start to do double digits. It seems scary. The good news is you guys already know how to do it. So when I draw my array, I'm going to draw it more like a square today. And we're going to break it up into place value again. So what it's worth. So right down here, what is that one worth? That is worth 3. What is this one worth? That is worth 20. So I put my 2 there. I'm going to draw a line across like that. Again, place value. What is that 4 worth? It's worth 40. What's that 7 worth? It's worth 7. And now, if you look, I have a box and I have to multiply these all together. So when I line them up, it's going to be this one times this one. 20 times 7, 3 times 40, and 3 times 7. Let's start with that 3 times 7, because we know how to do that one. 3 groups of 7 is 21. So now we're just filling in our boxes. 40 times 20. Ah! Big, huge number. Can't remember how to do it. What was the trick I said to do again? Yeah, count your zeros. 1, 2 zeros. So I'm going to do 1, 2 zeros. And now all I have left, my zeros are done, all I have left is to multiply 2 times 4. And you get 8. Same here, 20 times 7. I'm looking at 20 times 7. I have 1 0. I'm going to put 1 0 there. Now I have 2 times 7. And I get 14. This box, I have to go 3 and 40. I have 1 0. And I do 3 times 4 is 12. Believe it or not, we're almost there. Now all we have to do is add these all together. So 800 plus 140. I like to do a little check as I get them so I know I got them all. 120 plus 21. This is the biggest mistake that I've seen people make. This part right here. It seems like it's easy, but you guys will not line them up correctly. Sometimes you'll have the 21 over here, and that can throw your numbers off way, way, way off. So make sure you line up your place values. All my 1s, check it out as I did it, all my 1s line up. So when I add my 1s, I have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 4 is 4. Plus 2 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 10. Put my 0 there. My 1 goes up there. So 23 times 47 is 1,081. This is a big step. We are going to have Monday and Tuesday to work on this. And we're going to work on it together. And we're going to work on problems together. And it'll be awesome. I have complete faith in you guys. I'm excited. And we will see you in whole group. Bye.